Tapos na, album na yun sa Taylor Swift.
Alam ko kasi 1991. Yun ang alam ko. Tapos hindi niya binanggit. Bakit? Hala. Taylor Swift. Sabi ko Taylor Swift. Album may number.
Yun yung kay Taylor Swift.
Hello. Hello, Tina.
Ang confident mo pa doon. Ano sa'yo dito? Basha?
Diba? Tama naman ako. 1991. Yun agad yung unang pumasok ko. Bakla. Sinong may number na album? Baka malay mo yung mga sinabi niya 19, 21, 35. Baka yun yung pag pinag-add yun lahat is equals to 1991. Pinagmata ko ni bakla. Taylor Swift saw this 1989 pala. Na-late siya pinanganak sa mundo ko. Sa Vortex, late siya pinanganak. Sa inyong mundo, sa Earth, 1989 siya pinanganak. Okay na. Kasi Taylor Swift can be anywhere. She can live anywho. She can live anything. Pwede siya maging RuPaul. Kailan ba pinanganak si RuPaul? RuPaul birthday. Yan. 1960. Pwede niya pangalanan yung album niya. 1960 by Taylor Swift. Ganon. Siya din naman yun eh. Okay lang din. Okay lang. 1989. Ito. Search natin. 1989. 1989. Whose artists are born at 1989? Okay. We have here. Oh my God! I love Welcome to New York. Oh my God! She's so nice. The style is so nice. Oh, mabait si All You Have to Do. All you have to do is what? Yeah. Mabait to si I Wish You Would. Yeah. I've talked to Blank Space before and she's really kind. Out of the Woods is very esoteric. She's like Miss Jade So, no? Tas yung spelling ng Out of the Woods is 0. 0, 1, 2, whoa, oh, it's alright, oh, it's alright. Ganun, o, diba sinapian ako ni Maxi? Si Shake It Off, magaling yan eh, magaling yan. Nasayaw siya, nasayaw. I'm back. Am I back again? Okay na ba? May tumawag kasi na Grab, kaya nawala ako ng saglit. Sorry. Sorry akin. Tapos, si Shake It Off, nakilala ko siyang palasayaw siya. She's a dancer. Shake It Off is really a good dancer. Nakita ko siya minsan sa mall show. Meron siyang show sa SM Pangasinan. Yung nasayaw, tapos sabi niya ay, shake it off. Tapos may mic siya. Tapos meron nga siyang show dun sa magpakailanman. Kilala niyo ba yun? Yes. Ang galing niya sumayaw. Shake it off, magpakailanman. Si Shish It Off. Shish It Off, ang galing niyan sumayaw. 10 out of 10. Mwah! Si Bad Blood naman, ay, mahirap to kaibiganin kasi may hinanakit siya. May hinanakit talaga siya. Tila ba ay sinusuntok niya ang kanyang puso upang masugatan at nagkaroon ng bad sa kanyang puso. Eto na. And, oh my God, this next girl. Ano siya, lalaki to. Lalaki siya dati. Pero nung na-meet niya si Godessa, nag-turn over siya, naging bakla siya. Bumalik siya sa pagkabakla. Straight na to eh. Siya, pangalan niya si How You Get a Girl. How You Get the Girl. Dati gusto niya yung mga babae. Yan, babae siya ng babae. Ayan. Naging bakla siya nung na-meet niya si Godessa. Grabe yun. Grabe. Ito naman si next girlie. Pang 11 na to eh. Grabe. Ito naman si Mapagmahal. Pwede na, to eh. Para siyang si Hana Beshi. I would say Hana Beshi. Siya si Dislove. Si Dislove. Tapos, Miss Congeniality siya. Wala akong masabi, mabait. So, wag na lang natin siya pag-usapan kasi wala akong masabi. Oh my God, this girl. Ang dami niya. She knows everything. She knows where to go. She knows where to hang out, where to bond, where to party. She said, I know places. Okay, so since kakagising ko lang, wala pa akong kinain and anything, and dumating yung drink ko and the food. So, let me drink first. So, ito pa lang yung walang substance yung katawan ko. So, I am talking like this because I have no substance in my body.
Mas may part, yung sugar. Purple ka natin.
Ano yung isa?
Tatlo sila.
Yan na. Nagkaroon na ng substance. Tila ba ay nagkaroon na ng patak na matcha. Sa aking ngala-ngala. Sige, good morning. Maliligo tayo ng 11 kasi aalis na tayo ng mga 12:30. Yeah. So this girl, yung last girl na to, hindi siya madumi. She's not a Hindi siya madumi. Malinis siya, mabango. I would say, ito si Margot. Si Margot to, gumagawa ng mga hair, ganyan. Malinis, mabango, matibay. Siya ay si Clean. Malinis siya. Wala akong masabi. So, since wala akong masabi, go. Magpakalinis ka dyan. Papanoorin natin ang tongue-tied. My God, ang tagal bago ma-watch kasi ang dami kong girly na na-meet nung sa 1989. Ayan. Pag pinag-add sila, di ba 12 sila? 12 ba yun? 12. 13. Pag pinag-add mo sila, it will be always equals to 1989. Yup. Speak in English. Okay, I'm gonna speak in English so that you would understand all of what I'm saying. Live reaction of tongue-tied. Bakit may ganun nag-spelling ng tongue-tied? Kung Italy kaya kita, ikaw kaya yung Italy ko. Pare-parehas lang.
Wings.
I like the wings. Okay. Okay, so where is it? Tongue-tied. Ay, ano ba yan? Hindi famous yung show. Hindi nasa unahan yung... Ayan. Okay. Live reaction. Grabe yung tawa ko habang pinapanood ko kanina. Ba't ka pa nandito? Napanood mo na pala. Sana sabi ko sa inyo eh. Sabi ko, sabay tayo manonood. Sabi ko, ay hindi, speak in English. I told them that we are gonna watch together. We are gonna watch together. Nangunguna kayo. Oh, tinan mo na, lalagas na yung buhok ko. Eto. Okay, I have a question. So since Pangina is asking me so much questions about this pop culture, so let me test your knowledge about pop cultures. So, who is this girlie? Dun, 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 dun. Oh! Remember all the things that I did first? Swagger Jagger, Swagger Jagger. You should get some of your own. Ha! Kill your own need. Put your game on. Put your game on. Put your game. Du, 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 du. Hindi nyo kilala, o diba? Kasi, my God, ano ba yung age nyo? Cher Lloyd, ayan, tama. Tama. Swagger Jagger. Mother Sitang. Okay. So, we are gonna be moving on tongue-tied these 3 seasons. Bet medyo ang liwanag nung ano. What is this flare over here? So, you can see my face. When are you flying to UK? Miss Jiggly, yes, later. I'm gonna fly later. It's 10:30 here in the Philippines, and my flight is 6:30. So I should be at the airport at 3 p.m. Then I'm gonna leave my house at 1 p.m. because we are gonna allot 2 hours of travel time because we are from the place that is very, very far from the Pasay. Oh my God. Okay, let's start watching it. Let me put some subtitles. Yes, Aurora Matrix.
This is
Ano
one
daw?
of the first Thai
Asap Coffee
restaurants
Shop.
in opened in 1974.
Bakit ang dami namang
known for
subtitle?
authentic
Eh,
Thai food.
Wow Presents, bakit ganito? Tila ba ay naguguluhan ako magbasa? Ang sabi ay may subtitle na, tapos meron pang subtitle na pinatong. Nag-sandwich ba kumbaga? So naguluhan ako na. Oh, speak in English. So I said that Wow Presents, I am asking you why is there a subtitle already and an additional subtitle? It's like a sandwich. Ano Tagalog ng subtitle? Pinag-isip mo ba ako eh?
Sap Coffee Shop. is
Sap
an
Coffee Shop.
important part in history.
Wait. Why it's not English? I selected English. Tingnan nyo to. Der Thailand American Wait, I selected English. Americana. Thailandianas Americana. Thailandese. Seraha, Thailand, America. Like, I am selecting English. Why is...
Maybe
What? Meg has ik. Velkik der 16 Heiligstein. Is that a new English? Oh my god. Is it like this? Okay, let me turn it off. Because I only understand Susunese. Sinapian siya, sabi niya, oh,
All the way from the Philippines.
binuhat ako ng producer, bakla. Oh my god. I know who you are.
Coming. And I don't understand why you're wearing so much clothes.
Oh yeah, because in this Hotiana weather, I need to let the bratzy out.
What are their names?
This is
Suso. Ba't ganun yung nilagay nila, te? Wait.
some money.
Laruso. These Americans don't know how to translate Tagalog or Susunese. I'm so offended. Ganto ba to? Binabaliwala na lang nila yung language natin. Ba't naman ganon? Hindi man lang sila nagtanong sa atin kung ano yung translation nun. Ba't hindi kasi? Para namang binabaliwala na lang tayo. Tingnan nyo. Ba't ganito? Laruso, Lambertuso. I said Lambutsuso. Laruso. I feel for Laruso. Mahal na mahal ko yan siya. Nawala yung filter ko. I feel for... Okay. So, for everyone's clarity, I am gonna explain what this means. Suso, are you still with me? Susos. Are you still with me? So, Laruso in Susunese, it means playful breast. It means playful breast. My God! And the Lambutsu, which is, this is not a Lambutsu. Let me. Parang Tigasu ata ito. No, my God. I'm so sorry, my dear Lambutsu. I'm so sorry, my dear Lambutsu. You didn't get the chance to be recognized correctly. You know what I mean? Do you guys understand us? Oh my God, we are not alone in this world. Lambutsu means it's soft. It's a soft suso. Who are the soft susos here? Raise your hand, raise your hand. Let them know, let them see you. Let them be heard. The Lambutsusos here. Yes, my dear. Yes, you are valid. You are valid. You are seen. You are felt. You are acknowledged. I love you. I love you, soft suso. Oh my God. Okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna contact them how they can handle the damage control to this, because the susos are traumatized. The susos are hurt. The susos are hurt. And I felt for them because I am them. They are me. I can feel everything. Oh my God. Okay. Let me continue.
Okay, the money.
Just some money.
No, I'm a winner.
Yes.
So I'm gonna win this.
I'm Each
Hindi na tuloy ako
dish is
natutuwa.
worth 1 point. By playing
Raise
my
awareness
little
for
game.
Lambot Suso.
If you feel like things are getting a little
And Della
too
Russo.
spicy,
Give it to us. Dapat ano eh. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako titingin. Okay, Bernie mode.
have some more.
My or child.
No. Okay.
Period.
Sexy.
Yeah.
I see. It's just
Everything is cause she has some British accent, I can tell.
ยำไข่เยี่ยวหมา
Kumayama.
See large salad marinated
Kum
with
kayama.
century-old eggs that
Fidiana ka.
tasting.
Bobo.
How was it?
Oh my God. The way they didn't air the prank. They pranked me before the episode started.
This franchise.
Hirap na hirap yan.
skills to
Ayan na nga, Matt, nga yung tanong sabi sa inyo
the
eh.
test. What episode did you How many sides? So Versace.
Sabi Matt nga eh, di ba?
Knowing y'all.
Sa iyo, Matt. Ba't kasi Matt yung question? Why is the question Matt?
How do you not
The
know?
way they bleep the Miss Jade versus herself. Another disrespect. Blood lard.
This dish
Kami ang bod.
You didn't.
Oh, they didn't blur it. Fire exit.
it happened. Diana Ross
Okay, the next
Lady
is...
Gaga.
She's a Lady Gaga fan.
On a movie.
Hindi na ako makafocus sumagot.
Happened or did not happen.
It happened.
It didn't happen.
me.
Ooh.
This. Oh.
Filipino
Is it
is
true
up.
that in the
Angry Earth
garlic?
translates to angry as chili and basil.
How are you feeling?
Give me the chili.
Do it and chew.
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
I'm gonna puke. No, no, no. No. No, don't give up, girl. No. This is for the Susos. This is for the Susunese.
Type. Or swallow.
No way.
You can. To put a ring on it. You get
Yes, give it to Adele.
Jesus. 9.5.
No, no, ay. Sama si Kayana. Gawin na nga eh. Hindi nila nilagay yung prank. Ay, ay, ay. Ba't kayo nagpapasalamat sa akin? Ah! Wala kayong wow presents? You are fake fan. Wala kayong wow presents? Ay, 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 ay. Okay, shutdown na kasi aalis na po. Wow lang. Wala me. Wow, mali lang kayo. Wow, mali. O, tingin kayo sa camera. Tingin po sa camera. Ayan na yung meron. Send account. Tingin po sa camera. Okay. Thanks for representing the Philippines. Ito transfer daw sa'yo ang gold medal. I represented my country, Vortex. So, thank you, thank you. Hoy, Taylor Swift. Dalit, asan ka na? UK ka na ba? Oh my God, ang lamig here. Yes, I am in the UK right now. Oh my God. I'm like, oh my God. It's hot. It's very cold here. So I have to take off my clothes so I could feel the coldness. Let me feel the coldness. Where is it? Where? I just remembered that I am an artificial intelligence, so I don't feel anything. I am an artificial Monica. You know what? You know that. You know an artificial Monica. Can't wait to see you on Friday, on Saturday. Thank you. I'll see you, Jamie. Okay. So I am gonna eat some Jollibee here in UK. I just found out that there's a Jollibee in UK, so I have to buy it. I have to buy it. Absentiana me today. Am I allowed to be thrown at the vortex? Yes, you are, my dear. Okay, let me throw you at the vortex. Period. Girl, you're amazing. I love to see you on international season kisses from Spain. Thank you, Spain. I love you, Spain. How are you, Spain? Only room blown accent, ma. Sorry, I just got. If you're well traveled, you'll get. Ganto talaga pag well traveled kang tao. Nabogahan na naman. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my lunch. I am gonna eat my brunch. Love kisses from USA. Thank you. I am gonna be in Las Vegas soon. Thank you. Thank you for watching with me. I love you all. See you at the UK. See you in a bit, London.